What up, peeps? It's Luke, 13 Motorsports. Just showing you our latest project here. It's a ST185 Toyota Celica 1992 GT4 that we will be completing the restoration on. The car was a right-hand drive, like parts car basically. We swapped it over to the left-hand drive setup. Right, it's got a Gen 4 3S GT in here, the Caldina motor. That's in here already, just basically bolted in. We gotta connect everything up and get it working. You know, this motor has the coil on plug system. I think it's about 250 horse or so stock. We'll definitely get some more out of it. We're gonna be putting a front mount intercooler, the Carlos Sainz bumper to match the Carlos Sainz hood. The entire chassis was stripped and it's been painted LFA white. You can see there's no windshield in it or anything. The interior is pretty much taken apart. We've already got the ST205 rear brakes fitted on. It's got some coilovers already on it. Got the front brakes on today. And we're gonna be getting this thing running. It's got a beautiful paint job. Looks great. It's also been fully undercoated underneath. You can see, you know, fuel tanks restored. All the components have been powder coated and restored. So, you know, we'll be taking our time with this one, making sure everything's done right. It's all got the sound deadening. Its build purpose is street car, so that's what we're doing. Full stereo, full interior, sunroof. You know, got the really nice hood there. Super cool looking thing. Alright, so stay tuned for more updates on this project.